Hi folks, tomorrow is parade day and I haven't started my float yet. I got a couple hours today and then a little bit of time tomorrow and then it's tomorrow afternoon, so I better get cracking. There's the beginning of it right there. So this is the plan. Okay, so I'm seeing a big praying mantis. I know you don't see it, but so this is all going to be covered with fabric. It's going to have like a metal cone in the back here to keep the exhaust from melting the fabric. And I'm going to have maybe my girlfriend, if she's bold enough, maybe somebody else, to be strapped up in here, and they're going to be able to work the arms of the praying mantis, and their head will be out, and the bucket will be able to tip this way, so they'll be able to lean forward like this, or go up and down with the whole bucket will go. I mean, the whole arm will go up and down, and then I have to figure out a way of keeping the fabric from getting caught in those wheels, because once it gets caught in those wheels, it'll just pull it right off. So I got to mount something here, and I'll be inside there. Hopefully I'll be able to see. Had to pull my trailer out of the woods. It came out grudgingly, as you can see. So this is just to get it down. The trailer is just to get it down to the parade area, but this is the actual float here. So we'll see. We'll see if it works, okay? I don't know.
Okay, pay attention to her. If you want, you can throw coins at the little lady there in the straw hat, or she'll throw them back at you. Whoa! Look at this gigantic praying mantis. Run! Run! Wow, that is absolutely wonderfully hideous. Really wonderful. Look at that. That is going to be Rick Sassa, the mad genius, who year after year, working with Robert Cease in a secret laboratory just up the street, underground in their basement, are creating float after float of completely mad mayhem. And here we have the Salem Volunteer Fire Department. Thank you guys for coming, for keeping us all safe.